In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Salesforce report public. If you ever wanted to share valuable insights with a wider audience within your organization, making your Salesforce reports public can be the way to go. Let's dive into how you can easily accomplish this in just a few straightforward steps. First things first, you want to begin by navigating to the app launcher within Salesforce. This is your gateway to accessing different functionalities and applications within the Salesforce platform. Once you're in the Salesforce interface, look towards the upper left corner for the app launcher icon, typically represented by a grid of 9 dots. Give that a click. Now that you're in the app launcher, your next step is to look for the reports option. This will allow you to access all the report functionalities available to you. Click on reports to proceed. Once inside the reports section, find and click on the all folders option. This will allow you to view all your report folders. Next, you need to select the specific report folder containing the report you'd like to make public. Ideally, you want to locate the arrow drop-down button next to the report folder name you're interested in. When you click on that, a menu will appear with various options. Within the drop-down menu, look for the Share option. Clicking on Share is an essential step because it will open up sharing settings that give you control over who can access your report. When the sharing settings open, you'll see an option for Public Groups. This is where you can determine who outside of your immediate team should have access. To proceed, select the relevant public groups that you want to share your report with. It's a good idea to make sure the selected group aligns with the intended audience for your report. Select your desired public group and ensure that they have the required permissions to view your report. Finally, after choosing the appropriate public groups, you'll need to finalize the sharing process by clicking on Share and then Done. This will implement the changes, allowing your report to be accessed by members of the public groups you selected. That's it. Your Salesforce report is now public and accessible to the chosen audience within your organization. By making reports public, you streamline the process of data sharing and collaboration, ensuring that the right people have access to the necessary insights. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in expanding your Salesforce reporting